Greetings. What I would like to talk about today is about our health. We had developed and researched what we'd like to call medicine in the group of antibiotic fungi or endophytic fungi B19. Also other various species along with yeast and probiotic that Professor Bunyong Nantarojanaporn had developed into 7 types of herbal medication and 6 types of human vegetable food sources. All of these were developed in probiotic form so that the endophytic fungi, yeast and probiotic would still be alive when made into capsulated form to work with the T killer cells to get rid of diseases in our body. This is actually a biological way, as in biology, as in science. It's a way of living organisms that control one another to maintain balanced life. We have test results with more than 5,000 real patients dated back more than 5 years. More than 80% of our patients were recovered back to normal health, such as cancer from stage 1 to 4. Well, today we are announcing to sell our know-how, which will be divided into subcategories according to the symptoms as follows. The first one is our stage of cancer. It will be healed within 180 days. The second one is chronic kidney disease. Patients that are so severe that they need transfusion every other day and excrete 3 to 4 kilograms of waste will be healed. The kidneys will function normally with no need for hemodialysis anymore. Number 3, bone marrow that will not produce red and white blood cells. The bone marrow will return to function normally within 180 days. Number 4, low blood count from chemotherapy and digesting fibrinolytic, something like warfarin. Platelets will return to normal within 90 days. In our 5th category, for children aged 1 to 12 that has IQ lower than normal, their IQ will be higher than 120 within 90 days after receiving our MPV drops. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and T3 and T4 fluctuate and becomes poisonous. These 3 hormones will function normally within 7 to 45 days. Muscle cramp is our 7th category. Will be fully recovered within 20 days, but the cramp, the pain from the cramp and the cramp itself will be gone, will be cured within 3 days. Last but not least, our 8th category, migraine. No matter how long the patients had migraine, they can be cured within 30 days. Now you may doubt, how are we able to stay how many days the patients will be cured? We dare say this from our past experience that finally it became statistic in scientific way. To confirm our healing properties, we have samples for you to test, whether in your lab or with your patients. You can collect blood samples from your patients every day to see its potential. Another benefit is that none of this medication has any side effect whatsoever, even if it was used by babies. No side effect whatsoever. Alright, the big question is, you may wonder if the medications are that good Why are we selling our know-hows? That is because the laws of the Department of Health, well, actually it's the laws of our country, that Department of Health issue, they cannot catch up with the rest of the world. We cannot register the medicine's formula, cannot get it to pass FDA. Even as I'm speaking right now, Professor Bunyong, who dedicated his life in developing these medications, are still in prison. If we have to let these valuable researchers to heal the unhealable be buried under the soil of Pak Panang Penitentiary, the world would lose greatly. So this very important researcher had decided to announce the selling of his know-how to foreigners to continue on. If you are interested, you can ask for samples of medicines for each symptom from Probiotic and Herbal Company Limited, or you can contact me directly under this clip in the comment section and I will get back to you. I'm gonna have the next clip detailing all of what our probiotic medication does one by one. So we label them by the number, and then we're gonna tell you what number 1 does and number 2 and number 3, so on and so forth. But that will be the next clip. I don't want to keep this clip too long. Until next time, hope you have a great health. Goodbye.